Hello, this is Dr. Godwin Aigbe. Happy New Year. Wish you all a prosperous 2026. In my previous video, I made a resolution, and part of the resolution is that this year, 2026, I will devote my time creating educational contents that will benefit a lot of people. I don't have money to give to a lot of you, but I can as well give my expertise and give you the right information. This is Dr. Godwin Aigbe, and today's video has to do with artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, the new foundation for invention. I was discussing with one of my friends and I said to him that this generation don't need to be like Albert Einstein or Faraday that discovered electricity or those top inventors. You don't need to be like them. The foundation, the structure is already there. So what you need to do is to take advantage of that foundation, that structure that is already there. So becoming a millionaire using AI these days is very easy if you know what to do. This is where this content is going to be very crucial and very useful to a lot of people. Imagine trying to invent electricity like Faraday did. Faraday, law of electricity, like what he did. And you're trying to invent electricity without mathematics or physics, without any knowledge of mathematics or physics. Or you want to practice medicine without biology or chemistry. It will be impossible. It will be what? It will be impossible task to do that. That is where we are with artificial intelligence today. AI is no longer just a tool. It is becoming a foundational layer for how invention itself happens. It's now a foundational layer to how invention happens. So that was why I said the structure, the foundation is already there. You just need to take advantage. You just need to take advantage. And that is why the most essential, the most important and crucial skill you need today is adaptability skill. The ability to adapt to different situations. With this invention, only people that are adaptable to system will be able to take advantage of this AI we're talking about. Every major era of progress rests on a foundation. Steam power enabled industry. Electricity enabled mass production. And computing enabled digital age. AI now plays a similar role. It does not replace human creativity. It reshapes how ideas are formed, tested, and scaled. That is the essence of AI. Those who treat AI as infrastructure rather than novelty will shape the next decade. So if you see AI as an infrastructure rather than something just coming up, novelty, people that think in that direction will shape the next decade. And that is the essence of this video. I'm trying to bring up, trying to groom people that will shape the next decade. So this video is going to be very useful for a lot of people. And this video is going to be long. It's going to be a long video because there are so many information I need to include in this video. Let's look at what makes AI different. What makes the artificial intelligence different? AI differs from past technologies in three ways. Number one, AI is capable of learning. It learns. Unlike fixed machines, AI systems improve with data. It generalizes. The same model supports science, supports business, art, and even governance. It lowers the cost of experimentation. Tasks that once took teams and months cannot be tested within days, within hours, within seconds, within minutes. So for students and professionals, this changes the meaning of innovation. It changes the meaning of invention, in meaning of innovation. This foundation we're talking about now, AI. Speed matters more. Iteration matters more. And exclusion is very costly. You can employ different AI to speed up work with just few employees. This is how you can build a mega company on your own without hiring many people. And that was why I said the next set of millionaires and billionaires are going to be young people. Young people are going to take over the sector of millionaires and billionaires very soon with the advent of artificial intelligence and the social media. In my last video, I talked about how social media has become the new gold mine. So imagine combining the social media with artificial intelligence, with AI. You are soon going to be a millionaire. Pay attention to this video. It's very important. Let's look at the invention stack. I'm going to be introducing 4-layer model. Number one, human insight. This involves defining problems worth solving. Problems worth solving, you define it. Number two is data, involving local contextual. Number three is the actual AI systems. These are models that can detect patterns and simulate outcomes. Then the fourth on this layer is the institution. This is where regulation comes in, policy, ethics, and accountability comes in. So invention fails when one of these layers is ignored. Strong AI without context produces weak solution. So if you ignore one of these 4-layer model, invention is bound to fail. Now, this aspect is going to be very crucial because when I was delving into AI, I was very confused because there's so many AI and I was confused with which to really concentrate on. There are so many AI now. I have simplified this for you. That is why this video is going to be very useful. I have simplified this. I don't want you to go through the confusion I went through, so I've decided to simplify this for you. We're going to look at some of the examples of artificial intelligence that will be useful, that can help you build a mega company without employing many people. Number one, we're going to look at general AI assistant. These are good with reasoning, writing, and research. The king of all is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is good for reasoning, writing, coding, analysis, teaching support. It's basically for almost everything. But you need to understand that there are specific AI for different functions. That's why this part of this video is going to be very useful to you. So number one, like I said, is ChatGPT for reasoning, writing, coding, analysis, teaching support, and basically almost everything. Then we have the Claude. The Claude is long form writing. It's used for long form writing, summarization, policy, and research support. That's why Claude is useful. Then we have the Gemini. It's Google AI. Search integrated reasoning, multimodal task. Then we have the Perplexity AI. Research focused AI with source-based answers. Then let's go to number 2, which is the academic writing and research support. I have used most of these AI, and I can tell you they are very useful AI. So number 2, the academic writing and research support. The first is Jenny AI. Jenny, I've used Jenny, very interesting AI. So this AI is used for academic writing assistant, citation, idea development. Take note of that word, idea development. Jenny is very good with idea development. So if you are confused if you have a topic you are not really clear with Jenny, you will be on the right path, because Jenny helps with citation and even idea development. Very good for research. Second is Elicit. Elicit is good for literature review support and paper discovery. We have the Cite. The Cite is smart citation and research context analysis. Then we have the Research Rabbit, paper mapping and discovery. It's used for paper mapping and discovery. Maybe if I get a sponsorship from one of these AI company, I can talk more on these specific AI, and I will show you how to use these AI, especially the academic writing and research support. I will show you how to use it if I get sponsorship from them. But if not, this is how far I'm going to go. Number 3, we have the design, creativity, and visual content. The first of that will be Canva AI. Most of you have heard of Canva. Canva is good for presentations, graphic, social media, brand assets. Canva is very good. I've used Canva. We have the Adobe Firefly. The Adobe Firefly is good for image generation and creative design. We have the MyJourney, advanced AI image generation. We have the Dell, concept art and illustration. The next set of AI I'll be talking about, the 4th, will be the video, audio, and media production. We have the Descript. I use Descript for my video. The Descript AI is AI-powered audio and video editing. That is why you see most of my video are very, very professional, because I use Descript. If any of these AI company can reach out and sponsor one of the videos, I am going to talk more on how to use the specific AI, and I will go step by step. So Descript is very good. I've used it. The Wrong Way, video generation and editing, P3, script to video creation. Then we have the Synthesia, AI avatar video. The next set will be AI that are very good with coding, data, and technical work. We have the G-Hub, Copilot, the Replete AI, code generation and debugging. Then we have the Cursor, AI first coding environment. And we have Tab 9, predictive code completion. The next set of AI I will be talking about the AI used for business, productivity, and automation. We have Notion AI, knowledge management and task automation. Microsoft Copilot, productivity across the world, Excel, Outlook. Then we have the Zapier AI, workflow automation. The Otter AI is used for meeting transcription and summaries. I've used the Otter AI before for transcription. The next set of AI for marketing, communication, and social media. The Jasper, marketing and copywriting. The Copy AI, ad copy and content generation. The Hootsuite AI, social media planning and analytics. The next set of AI are used for education and learning. We have Camingo AI, it's AI tutor by Khan Academy. The Duolingo Max, AI supported language learning. The Socratic by Google, homework and concept explanation. Then the next set of AI are used for finance, analytics, and decision support. You have the AlphaSense, market intelligence, data robot, enterprise machine learning, and we also have the Tableau GPT, data analysis and insight. The Tableau GPT is very powerful, very, very powerful. I've also used that. Then the next set of AI, everyday AI you already use. The Google search AI overview, the Gmail smart reply, Spotify recommendation, Netflix recommendation engine. These are all AI you need to pay attention to. Like I said, I have tried to simplify this AI. These are not the only AI we have, but these are some I think you need to concentrate on in order to improve or increase your productivity. There are risks and responsibilities. Every good thing has the bad side. So there are risks. AI concentrates power, reproduces bias, and can widen inequality if left unchecked. So responsible invention requires transparency, skills, training, and governance. The question is not whether AI will shape invention, but who controls its direction. That is the question. AI can definitely shape invention, but who controls its direction? That is the problem. That's one of the risks. Another risk is allowing AI to think for you. That is another risk. You can kill your brain if you continue to let AI think for you. So you have to be thinking for AI. That is why before you start using the AI, you have to structure what you want the AI to do for you. Because rather than taking AI as novelty, you use AI as infrastructure to help and to improve your productivity, not letting AI think for you. That is another risk, and that should be checked. So to end everything about AI in this video, if you want to benefit from using AI, think about what you want AI to do for you by giving proper context. So you have to think about what you want the AI to do for you. That is the only way you avoid AI thinking for you. You have to think first what you want AI to do for you. So if you structure your prompt properly, you will get the best result. But if you allow AI to just think for you, it's going to give you general answer. And in most cases, most of these answers are either biased and not accurate because it's what you want. That's what the AI will give you. But if you structure your prompt properly, methodically, you think about it before asking AI to do it, AI will give you the best possible answer. So you treat AI as a foundation you must learn to build on, not as a shortcut to avoid thinking. Pay attention to these two phrases. Treat AI as a foundation you must learn to build on, not as a shortcut to avoid thinking. Those of you, the university students, you understand what I'm saying. They give you assignment. Instead of you to think about the assignment and ask the right question, you just put it on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to give you answers. And in most cases, most of them might not be correct. What you should do would be to structure your prompt, understand the problem. Understanding the problem requires you to think about the problem. So don't let AI think for you. Make sure you think and be creative at the same time. Establish some logical, good prompt. In that case, AI will give you the best possible result. The future belongs to those who combine judgment with machine. Those who think. That is why I said the next set of millionaires and billionaires are going to be people who are adaptable to change. And these are going to come from the young generation. People who can take advantage of artificial intelligence. People who can take advantage of social media, which I said is the new gold mine. So these are the next set of millionaires. In 2026, 2027, 2028 to 2030, you're going to see young millionaires popping up. That doesn't mean old people can't be millionaires. If you're able to adapt to the system, you also be part of the people that will benefit from social media and artificial intelligence boom. AI is the new foundation for invention. You don't need to be Albert Einstein. You don't need to be Faraday. You don't need to be Ohm's law. You don't need to be any of those powerful inventors. There's already a foundation that you need to build on. And this is where AI comes in. Like I said in the opening phrase, imagine trying to invent electricity, trying to be a medical practitioner without biology or chemistry. That is where we are with artificial intelligence. You can invent or innovate anything if you know how to use AI properly and ethically. So this is the end of the video. It's a long video and it was packed with so many information. This is Dr. Godwin, and one of my resolutions this year is to be creating educational content that can benefit a lot of people. This is a way of extending my expertise to a lot of people. If you find this video useful, do well to follow me. Comment. Let's have some discussion in the comment section. And follow me on all my social media handles at Dr. Godwin Igbe. You can find me on Facebook, on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. These are my major platforms. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for following me. I know you're going to follow me. This is Dr. Godwin Igbe. Thank you.